Hello and welcome back. If you get rank local SEO on your businesses, so where you will get appeared, where there has the chances to be appeared in your position. First of all, you will appear in Google Maps, 3 pack, 1 box or both. Then organic result for website, business directory listing, YouTube videos, Google News, Google site free, Twitter post, backlink website, social site, and Google Ads. So there has a chance appear it on your businesses on local SEO. So if you do perfectly local SEO, then your business will be visible in this area and you will boost your business, increasing visibility. So hopefully you understand. If you work on local SEO, where you will get appeared, where you will find people you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any services, let me contact us. Need consultation, contact us. Or if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.